back to my channel. It's Cass. If this is your first time here, please take one moment to hit the subscribe button, tippity tap the bell, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, make sure all of your notifications are on. Y'all should know the routine by now. Even if you're new, you should know the routine by now. And I know you want to join the family, so go ahead and just do what you need to do. Please, thank you. I'm asking nicely here with a little undertone of aggression. Too much? Never. Never. If you're returning, thanks for coming back this week. This week, guys, we are doing a very interesting video. I'm going to be using powder foundation for the first time in my life, which I'm pumped about. And of course, it's FENTY because, you know, that's the standard, honestly. My only intentions for powder foundation, personally for me, is for like days when my skin is looking like this and I don't want to do too much, but I kind of just want to like have more uniform skin tone, because obviously you can see I have some discoloration around my mouth and around my eyes, which is like natural, and I love my skin like this. But sometimes, you know, when you just want to look, y'all understand the look. That's what I was really gonna go for with this. Just literally just pound it into those areas and just go on about my day. But I've been watching a lot of reviews on it, and like the girls have really been beating their face, so I want to try it. I'm gonna use Jackie Aina's method, which she like basically did it in reverse. All cream products underneath and then apply the powder foundation. Now I don't use a lot of cream products besides like concealer, so I'm gonna just conceal first and then we're gonna jump into this. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped about this because I love FENTY, love FENTY. We're gonna just jump right in. I may not talk much because again, I really don't know what I'm doing. This is really like a first time thing for me, and I just want to just see what comes out of it, you know. She's beautiful. I mean, does Rihanna get tired of giving us quality every single time? Look at this compact. The days that I decide to do a powder, I could throw this into my purse, which I don't really like to touch up makeup, to be quite honest, but you know, if the situation called for it, she could slide into my bag. Ah, FENTY. Underneath you have the powder poof, which this is an emergency situation is when I would use this. I'm not going to be using that to apply it at all. I'm going to use a brush. So yeah, guys, I'm going to put my tunes on and we're going to get rolling. And I'm going to just let you watch and we'll see what this looks like at the end of the video. I'm pumped. I did my brows, did my concealer, struggled with my contour as you saw. So I think I'm ready to apply the product. Okay, now I got this in the exact same shade as my Pro Filter foundation, the matte foundation that I got. So I have this in the shade 410. So we're gonna hope that she is exactly what she needs to be. We're gonna hope that this does the same thing and kind of tones down what's all going here, because I feel like I look like a grease ball, but my brows look good, and that's a good time. I think I'm definitely gonna just go in with like my foundation brush that I normally use, just so I can push the product into my skin, you know. So we gonna do it. Let me put my tunes on so I can concentrate, focus. So I'm definitely seeing the coverage. And so remember how I said like this would be like my no make, like a part of my no makeup look. Like this is what I would use. I'm loving what she's doing for the skin. Like it just looks airbrushed and beautiful. Now I can't tell, because y'all may be able to tell, but I can't tell right now. And maybe when I'm watching this, when I'm editing it back, I'll be able to tell. But do I look highlighted? Like, can you see where I highlighted? I don't know if it like covered it up. It's very sheer, and I feel like you could build it up, but I wouldn't want that much powder on my face anyways. But it's just a nice coverage. Like I still can see my freckles, but my skin just looks very uniformed. I can't tell though. Like I feel like from here I can see that I'm highlighted underneath, but I can't tell here. So I'm a little confusion. I think what I'm gonna do is use my translucent powder and set like bake under my eyes, you know, just to bring back some highlight. And then I'm gonna, of course, you know, put on my blush and everything like how I would normally do. I'm just gonna let this sit while I do my eyes, and I will come back when I'm done with my eyes, and then we can work on, you know, blush and contour. Hopefully this works. And then, because then what I even need to do the whole reverse situation underneath, maybe I can just pop my powder after I do my brows, and then put the Laura Mercier in Translucent Honey to brighten up under my eyes. We don't know. We don't know. Alright guys, I finished my eyes and I also did my lips. I just went ahead and did both. If you guys want to see how I did the eyes, I did film it, so just let me know and I can upload it. But I just thought, you know, we would focus on the face today. Okay, so we're going to dust all this off, and I'm going to just put my blush on, put my highlight, put on my contour powder, you know, very lightly. Basically I'm just going to put all my powder products back on, and I'll see you when we're finished. Okay guys, final thoughts. So as far as the Fenty Beauty powder foundation goes, it's going to do exactly what I need it to do, which is like more of a casual wear, throw it on when I don't feel like doing all of this. Now for a full beat, it was too advanced for me. Okay, it was a little too advanced for what I'm trying to do right now, and I've mastered just using liquid foundation. So that's what I would do every day, because it kind of took a lot for me to get to this. But the powder foundation itself is amazing. Amazing. I really love it. The powder itself, like the Fenty Beauty powder foundation itself, is going to do exactly what you need it to do for like an everyday quick mascara, lip, and bounce out the door, it's gonna definitely do that for me. So I'm glad that I do have it for that. If you're an everyday girl and you just want to press a little bit of something into your skin and bounce out the door, I think this is definitely gonna achieve what you need. If you're a pro and you know how to really use this, give your girl some tips, because I am an oily girl, so essentially this would be a great way to do like my full face beat routine without having to put powder underneath and then my liquid foundation and then blah, 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 blah. You know what I mean? So y'all let me know what I'm really supposed to do with this, if you know what you're doing as well. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. If you have any questions, if you want to see this eye routine, let me know down in the comment section below so I can edit it and upload it for you. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.